I stay with the blue, more stay with the blue. Put the blue up now. Too much of pink now.
You know? We not biased, but
she biased, you know, guys.
Me I do all pink, so I just don't do the pink, them and then we do all the blues. It's like how I did with the glasses, right?
So you want a daughter?
Yeah.
I want a daughter. I do.
No, where you want now? Where you want now?
Want anything we get now.
Anything I get now?
Yeah.
No, man, we don't want to hear that. A boy or girl.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas. Watching the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Hey people.
Hey guys.
How y'all doing? So we're preparing for the gender reveal today. It's early in the morning.
Yes.
So we're gonna be making our centerpieces, which is a really creative like glass bouquet arrangement, and I'm making my pink and blue
Cute, very cute.
cute, yes, bows to go on it. So I'm gonna bring everyone across it. So I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah, so basically these will be put on the glass, right? And then we have some flowers. We had bought flowers too, you know, for the arrangement.
Yep.
Sure, no, I'll go on.
Also, there will be stones in it with water. Oh no, not stones. Just water.
Yeah, guys. You see the flowers here, we have pink roses, and I don't remember what these blue flowers are called.
I don't remember either.
Yeah, so those will be put in the arrangement along with what them call these buds.
They call it David's something. We don't know, but we never see it.
Yeah. You know, so them are going to pick up nice, guys.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah, y'all see it, right? Yeah.
So I made my first bow, my first side of the bow. And I'll just carry it across again. Get the sizing right.
Guys, we not lie, a lot of work. We're gonna be having a gender reveal at Hope Gardens, Jamaica. It's a very small gathering because we don't know with the COVID thing or whatever, we have to keep the thing on a level, right? Yeah. So, you know, we're gonna have family, you know, to partake with us. You know, it's a really exciting time, guys, for us. And
there's a small amount of person will be there. So, yeah, we're excited.
Yeah, man, very, very excited, man. Trust me, guys. So, you can stay tuned for the videos. You know, we're gonna have a video of the gender reveal. You know, a whole heap of work we put in. We never even know say it would have be so much work. You understand? But you don't know when you have your preference, you have a liking and things. So we just have to do what we have to do. You know. So, yeah, guys.
You show them the board. I was gonna mention that.
Yeah, cause see Amanda. Sorry, well I really did try away still. Different input at different points. So
yeah.
Yo, I'm so proud of this stand that they made.
Adrian made it.
Yeah. Just a concoction, you know?
This is very cute.
Yeah. So yeah, man.
Very creative, I think.
Yeah.
We had a problem and he found a solution.
And we want you guys to choose a team as well.
Yes, so right? Every vote counts, alright guys. So let us know, you know?
Yeah.
Let us know. Alright, so we're gonna glue it on our glass now. Come for this way. So we have our bows done. 2 girl, 2 boy. I will not try to be biased, right?
Yeah.
So we need enough to go around the what right here?
Guys, we can show you too. Where do the marshmallow? You can show them the other marshmallow too.
I'm gonna do it later. When we're done this, we'll put it on a stick and show them.
Okay. Alright, no problem. So guys, you guys see, it's just some sneak peeks, guys, of, you know, what to expect with the gender reveal. You know? So this is a big part of the decor, you know, these pieces that Cass is putting together. And
very cute.
we are doing this again. Put some candies in this. You guys gonna see, you know, you love it. And you know, we're sure we're gonna love it too. Later, I go down at the venue, because I do this to self, you know. Later, I go down at the venue along with Kias and some of her relatives, and we are going to decorate the place. You know, look, minor decor, nothing extravagant, but we're going to go down there, oh God, and decorate. You know, so all of them things there will be, you know, in store. Yeah, guys, so she actually used the glue gun. I said name? Yeah, glue gun, and just to put on the bows on it. And just for probably persons who don't know will be asking. Yeah.
Just a little hack.
That is actually a must-have in homes nowadays.
Yeah, don't it?
Very handy.
Glue gun. Oh, that's all the way around it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, guys, see Jaden here. You know? You excited, Jaden?
Yes.
And from yesterday, I said, oh, I'm excited and I can't wait. In fact, from Thursday or Wednesday, I said, oh, I can't wait for Sunday. I'm, you know, really excited about the gender reveal and thing. You know, I really want to know.
What team are you on, Jaden?
Boy.
But blue team. All right.
Boy.
Team boy.
I'm team girl, guys.
All right. Yeah, man.
That
So-
nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Not
So the
nice.
bow, which part the bow going on?
Bow's gonna go right here.
Okay.
So we're gonna put the bow right here.
Oh, this will be the front.
Hey guys, so we made one. So we changed it from being at the bottom to being at the top because we thought this was cuter. So yeah,
Very nice.
yeah. I like it for real. That's why you have to have people around there when you do them something, you know.
As them said.
Two head better than one, eh?
In our case, a 3 head there. So.
Three head, right? So we just use at the top right here, so I would just carry it around and make a, we call this to my X? Yeah. And then we're gonna just glue it in place. Yeah, at this time, as Manda was saying, a hot glue gun is like, it's one of those essential things that you need if you know you're gonna be doing stuff. You know you're gonna be planning events and stuff like that.
And you know, like this is so cost effective. Like you can actually do it on your own and it's very simple. These stuff is very simple. You know? Easy.
Yeah.
True.
Very easy.
Cost effective, trust me. If you pay somebody for decorate your events,
Oh,
oh
arm and
baby.
leg.
Oh baby, and with the good theme, you know, and the team of the, you know, oh baby, right?
Oh baby.
Just it's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you. So we actually learned that from when we were planning our wedding. So even in
Not
that,
cheap.
like we did a lot of those stuff ourselves.
Yeah.
We did a lot of the things for our wedding. We did it ourselves.
Yeah.
And that was really good too. And then guess what? We actually had fun and we learned a lot. So what we learned from that, so I made a little V and then I just glued it right on the X at the front. So now I'm gonna put the bow that I made, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna glue it in place.
So we're gonna show you one of the arrangements. So after, when you finish this one, we're gonna get the flowers and put it on just so you can see what's up, you know?
Yeah.
Well guys, as we say, the gender reveal part will actually be later, but how we'll be scheduling these videos, this particular video will come out a day before the gender reveal, right? But just stay tuned, guys. You know, or even not a day before, but this one will drop before the gender reveal. So over how many days after, I'm not quite sure, but yeah. So yeah, man.
I can't
Today
wait.
we will know.
So baby, you nervous?
No,
Tell me how you feel.
I'm excited.
Excited?
I'm not nervous.
Yeah.
But I want to know
What gender?
what kind of stuff I need to get. Like,
Yeah.
I need to get my creative juices going, so I need to know whether it's a girl or a boy.
True. Yes, and
know?
guys, glad Catherine mentioned that, you know. So there are persons who actually been asking about registry, right? Because we haven't started shopping yet either for most items because we don't know the gender.
Well, we actually have. We
Yeah.
actually have, but we've forgotten a lot of gender neutral stuff.
Yeah.
But I want to, everything can't be gender neutral. Guys.
Right. So in the description, there's actually be a link to our
We
registry.
got our pink roses, guys. So I'm just cutting them in the appropriate length.
Thank you. Look guys, pretty.
Yeah, and blue will go into each. So blue and pink are going in each of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just have our idea, we have a lot of idea. We are just excited about our gender reveal. Can't wait to find out, you know, what kind of baby it's gonna be. So we're just cutting them to a good length. We're gonna put them in some water right now. So there's gonna be 2 roses in each glass.
Where did you get these roses though?
A flower shop.
Yeah, we just went to a flower shop.
Nice.
Yeah, there are flower shops around. Can always check Google and things.
Oh, this blue is so pretty. It's bright and nice.
Yeah, blue nice. Yep. Proper man. Proper.
Oh, this is like sunflower.
And a sunflower.
You know, Bobby's a cousin. Bobby's a cousin.
I want to stay with the blue. Put the blue up now. Too much of pink now.
You that?
You see, she biased in people.
We're not biased, but
She biased in guys.
Me I do all pink, so we just done the pink them
So
and
you put the
done.
pink in the...
No man, yeah, I saw it all go man. I saw it all go. Blue and pink, blue and
We
pink.
also do all the pink them and then we do all the blues. It's like how I did with the glasses, right?
So you want a daughter?
Yeah.
I want a daughter. I do.
No,
I
we
do.
want no.
Want anything we get now.
Anything I get no.
Yeah.
No
But I
man,
do
we don't
want a
want to hear
girl.
that. A boy or girl.
No, I want a boy and a girl.
A what?
So anyone me get no, me take.
Alright.
No, me get no, me take. The next time though,
You have a choice.
I want the opposite sex. So if I get a girl now, I want a boy next time.
Alright.
Yeah. And if I get a boy now, I want my girl next time. Alright, so let's go on to the blue, but Adrian is very excited about.
Yeah.
So me I want never him one boy I want.
But there's a balanced thing, man. There's a balanced thing.
I agree, I love these blue. My favorite color is blue, guys. So
and Jaden too, you know?
yeah.
Jaden love blue too. Two. I remember that's 2 you need, you know, half of each.
Wait.
Literally
Make
two.
we count them first. So
Right,
maybe
it could be more too. It could be more too because they are smaller than the roses. So we could have even put 4 and enough of them, you know. So we can even do 4 of the blue in each. You see me? Cause enough. Yeah, cause the rose them big. So just do 4 of them one here.
Okay.
And scatter it around the night. Look nice. What you think, guys? Let us know what you think, you know? So
Leave your thoughts in the comment section.
Yeah, so bam. Something like so. Oh, I'm gonna draw this box on the can't see it. Ouch! Jeez!
What about
This still on. Oh god.
you? Jesus,
The
I got
glue
the
gun.
glass and everything.
The glue gun still on.
You're John, you're frightened. Every time you're frightened. Jesus.
Glue gun thing then.
Turn it off, cuz. It's off?
It's off now. Sorry, babe. Did not foresee that burn.
Dry it. No need to, but yeah, you have to dry it to get it firm. Carry it over here. Put it, even put right there so. Yeah, you can see it. You probably have got stuff up in there so.
You go.
I don't know. The glass just look empty.
Hey guys, so we're on to our 3rd leg. So we did a couple stuff for morning. This is the one what we're doing now. So we're doing like a marshmallow treat. I think a skirting, you know, a nice little tutu skirt kind of thing. So let's see Adrian try making one of these.
By the way, guys, my hands have been washed, right? We prepare
Yes.
food, so my hand them washed.
Yes. Oh, and by the way, if you're seeing, we're already finished with our centerpieces.
Yeah, for the table.
You see, ooh.
Yeah.
So this
Nice,
is this is one of our decor items.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah,
Done by.
Yeah. Alright, so Bamson.
No, we're not put the skirt in on it first.
Put it by Yasa first.
No,
Push the skirting
Put your stick through it.
Yeah, through the center.
to the center.
Alright.
There's actually a mark there, you can.
Okay, like that. And then,
Marshmallow on top.
bam. Oh, I'm gonna ruin this thing.
Take time.
Jaja.
Push it down, no, hold it by the side.
I wonder. Thank God. I'll just push up the skirt, eh? Yeah.
Good job.
Me tired of good job. Yeah, so see it there? Alright.
Yeah.
So these will be used to kind of prop up the table. So we're gonna arrange them, guys. So at the gender reveal, you'll see how we set up everything.
Edible
Right?
decor.
Edible decor. Yeah, man. So them are gonna sort out that plus other things. So guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Jaden, come here. Check crush door.
So Jaden is playing with his water gun.
Yeah, see where?
That. So
Yeah,
he's
guys.
excited. So, and I'm excited more often no.
Right.
More often no. Like at this point, I'm extremely excited and I just want to know. I want to have fun today. So I'm gonna do all the work from now, cause later I just fun time.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the barber now. I carry Jaden to the barber. Yeah, guys. So that's basically that for this video. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for the gender reveal coming up.
Turn your post
Shortly.
notifications on.
Turn the post notifications on, guys, and again, spam up the comment section whether team boy or team girl. Let us know.
Let us
Alright.
know. Let's see if votes can make a difference.
All right.
I want to see team girls in the comments.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching. All
Bye,
right,
guys.
peace
Bye.
out. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.